This is a short, but real story. This carries a big message for everyone. So watch this short video till the end. This is a story of a farmer living in Scotland. His name was Fleming. One day while he was farming, he heard some squeaking voice coming from behind. A boy was trapped in the swamp. The farmer saw that he was stuck in the swamp up to his waist.
Help! Help!
He rushed and saved the boy. He pulled the boy out and cleaned him, thus saving him from death. He told the boy to go to his home. The next day, the farmer saw that a very big car came in front of his hut. A very rich man of that time got out of his car. He came close to that farmer and said, "You have saved my son, I am very grateful to you. I want to give you something in return." The farmer replied, "It's all a matter of humanity. I can't take any money for it." The rich man insisted to accept something in return. In the meantime, the rich man saw a boy running out of the hut. That rich man asked the farmer whether that boy was his son. The farmer replied, "Yes." The rich man said to the farmer, "With your permission, I will make sure that wherever my son goes education, your child will go to the same place." I will provide the best education to both of them. And he did so. Can you guess what that boy became? He became Alexander Fleming. Yes, that Alexander Fleming who invented the first antibiotic, which is known as penicillin. He invented it on the 28th of September 1928. The world that is alive today and is free from many diseases is due to this invention. There is a twist in the story now. The boy who belonged to the rich man, who was rescued by the farmer, got pneumonia. He escaped death because of the invention of the farmer's son, Alexander Fleming. Look at the miracle of nature. That person escaped his death twice. Once, when he was rescued by Alexander Fleming's father, when he was a boy, and was trapped in the swamp. Second time, he was saved from dying due to the invention of penicillin by Alexander Fleming. Can you imagine what that person became next? He went on to become the Prime Minister of UK twice. Yes, he was no other than Winston Churchill. So what lesson you learned from this story? The lesson is that goodness always comes back. The story is not ended yet. There is another lesson in it. Look at the character of Alexander Fleming. When he got Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1945, he was asked to get a patent for his invention. By doing so, he could have earned millions of pounds. But he refused to do so, and made it free for everyone. It is due to this that in World War II, 2 to 3 million soldiers were recovered because of the penicillin. That is why it is believed to always do a good deed to everyone, because it returns with blessings. Thanks for watching.